let's say you're given this equation here. For some reason, you want to make y the subject. So in this case, you want to times both sides by 2b. Now, here you're given two fractions. If you want to times by 2b here, it's probably easier to merge these two fractions into one fraction. And then if you merge these two into one fraction, you have blah 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 on top, blah 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 at the bottom, and then you can times by 2b. So when you times by 2b, it gets multiplied to the top. So hang on. So when you're given this and you want to times both sides by 2b, it's easier just to merge these two fractions together. So here times top. Well, in order to add or take away fractions, the two denominators have to be the same. So times top and bottom here by a, and then over here times top and bottom here by 3x, times here by 3x. So this will become, hang on, this will become 4a. So this fraction here will become this 4a over 3ax, and then this fraction here will become this, will become, remember, 3 times 3x here, so that will be 9x, and then a times this thing here, so that will be 3ax. This plus here we'll take it down, so that's a plus there, and well, this stays the same. What I'm trying to say is that when you're given two fractions, sometimes sometimes you need to be able to merge the two fractions together. So in this example, I'm just showing you how to merge two fractions. And the reason is sometimes it's easier just to merge the two fractions, and then you can multiply both sides by whatever. Otherwise, it's quite difficult to do. So anyway, let's carry on merging these two fractions. So now the two denominators are the same. We can merge the two fractions. So it will be this 4a plus 9x, okay, equals y2b. Okay. Now you are multiplying both sides by 2b, so it gets multiplied to the top, remember. So if you have a fraction here over blah 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 and you times by 2b, it gets multiplied to the top, so this will become this 3ax, and then, well, just imagine at the moment you've got a bubble here. That's what you've got a bubble divided by this bubble here. So if you times it by 2b, you've got to do this. Basically, you've got to have this bubble times this. So at the moment, you've got to write it like that. So it becomes this 2b bracket 4a plus 9x. Close it. Okay. If you don't understand this part here, it's a bit similar to that example that I gave you. A blue whale equals an elephant plus a giraffe. If you times both sides by 3, you're going to have 3 blue whales, 3 elephants, 3 giraffes. So it's a bit similar to this. If you times by this thing here, if you times by the bubble here, you've got to times this. You've got to times this by that thing, and then this times this. So it's similar to that. Okay. Well, anyway, this would be y. What I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to show here is that when you're given two fractions, there are times when you need to be able to merge these two fractions together. Okay. In the next video, I will give you some more examples.